The modern classic, the Gin Basil Smash. It's majestic, lemony and herbal. It's just like sitting on a sun-drenched terrace in Amalfi and enjoying pineapple on a pizza. Okay, to start this one off, grab a bunch of basil, aim for 12 to 15 leaves and also include a bit of the stem. Give these a light rip, put these into the shaker. Okay, now we need to add the simple syrup. What I'm doing here is adding 3/4 ounce of simple syrup. Please note, I'm using here a 1-to-1 ratio. If there's anything high like pure cane syrup, which is likely to be 2.1 ratio, please aim for 1/4 ounce because it can really over sweeten the cocktail if you use too much. Now you need to grab your girlfriend's sex toy, the muddler, and muddle it. If you have a muddler which is spiked like this, turn it round to the handle side. You don't want to rip up the leaves, but you want to apply enough pressure. Now for a quick bit of history. The Gin Basil Smash is about as German as Nosebleed Techno and Dungeon Porn. This cocktail was created by Jörg Meyer in Hamburg back in 2008. This is in the days when everybody had shit haircuts, the local weirdos thought they were vampires, and your mum joined Facebook. Add 2 ounces of gin. Here I'm using the original IG, which is Beefeater. Now you need to cut and squeeze and add 3/4 ounce of fresh lemon juice. Right, now you need to add ice. Unfortunately, I had to ration here as my troll of a brother interrupted my previous attempt at making this cocktail. Shake for 10 to 15 seconds. Now add ice. Here I'm using a big ice cube, which will likely wind up the whole internet. However, I think this looks really smart in the glass. And you can get these moulds from good kitchen supply shops and also online. I think they're really good in things like old-fashioned cocktails as well. Now don't mess up this part. Using the Hawthorne strainer on a closed gate and your fine mesh strainer, pour the drink into the glass. For the garnish, add a single basil leaf on top of the ice. Now if you're just using the method where you're using more ice, you can just rip off like a stem of a couple of leaves. That looks cool as well. Now give the subscribe button a good slap, and most of all enjoy. Have a couple more and bathe yourselves.